the debt versus IPO. Now, maybe I'll add this further, debt plus equity plus IPO. So when I say equity, that's means promoter's equity. So remember, debt of course has an advantage. Debt has got many advantages other than that what we've discussed little while ago. The biggest advantage that the debt has is there is no dilution of control. There is no dilution of control. So अगर आप लोन लोगे तो आपकी equity holding पे कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है, आपके control पे कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. Therefore, अगर आपको IPO करना है तो IPO obviously is going to dilute your control, and that is where you can take a call. How much should you dilute? So for a company like yours, which has been in existence for so many years, and I'm sure your reserves and surplus figure also must be sizable. So since your reserves and surplus figure is so sizable, it is very much possible that your company will be able to come out with an IPO at a very high premium. Why? Because you are into a product, you are into tech. So since you are into tech, since you have a past history, since your reserves and surplus are very high, therefore you will be able to come out with an IPO where you will get a sizable premium. So when you get a sizable premium, remember what happens, the equity, fresh equity that you are going to raise, it is going to be quite low. Which means, though you will raise money by way of equity, the control dilution will not happen that much. And in any case, so to the extent, when it comes to the dilution, there are two things that you need to look at. Control, you need to look at from two perspectives. Number one, you holding 75+%, that is one stage. And number two is you holding 50+% is second stage. So अगर आप IPO कर रहे हो और अगर आप 75% के नीचे जा रहे हो, परवाह नहीं. क्यों परवाह नहीं? Because your shares are going to be widely distributed. So therefore, theoretically you may not hold 75%, but virtually and practically you hold 75% because the shareholders do not come to the shareholders meeting, and therefore you would be able to pass any resolution that you need to pass for specific reasons simply. So therefore that is situation number one, and the second control is 51%. So even if you have more than 50%, you still have the control. I will always, a company, all of you, a company which has been in existence for years, has got huge accumulated profit, and the promoters are holding 100% equity. I can tell you those companies must immediately go for IPO. Maybe for the small SME IPO, you should immediately go for SME IPO. Why? Because आपको मालूम नहीं है, आपने 25-30 साल तक कंपनी में काम मेहनत करके कंपनी को एक बहुत ऊंचे लेवल तक पहुंचाया है, और उसकी वजह से आपकी कंपनी की जो ब्रांड बिल्डिंग हुई है उसको आप एनकैश ही नहीं कर रहे हो. और याद रखो, वी आर इमॉर्टल्स, तो हमारी लाइफ लिमिटेड है. तो हम बहुत कंपनी को बड़े लेवल पे ले जाके भी अगर मर के काम करते रहें और खपते रहें तो कोई मतलब नहीं है. इट इज़ टाइम फॉर यू कि SME का IPO करो और पैसा रेज करो, एंड बिकॉज दैट मनी यू विल बी एबल टू ऑफर योर शेयर्स टू द पब्लिक. तो पैसा डायरेक्टली आपके बैंक अकाउंट में आएगा, और वो पैसा आपके बैंक अकाउंट में आया, देन यू कैन डिसाइड व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इट. सो टुडे लॉट ऑफ पीपल व्हाट दे डू, दे गेट द मनी एंड दे यूज इट फॉर एंजल इन्वेस्टिंग. So then they start promoting other entities. So this is, I hope that answers your question. Very good.